capture some good videos. Wow, what a beautiful experience. My shot, Baba, look at me. Look at me. He's actually scared of taking bath, you know, but he loves it. Wow, look at this.
Get busy with it.
Almost. Look at him. So nice cycling. Cycling. Hey, cycle. So nice cycling. Cycle, mara. Hey. Look at mom.
Here.
Helicopter. Mama helicopter. Oh. Look at this side. Baba. मारो हटा दिया चलो मारो come on do it उठा मारे बिजली से मारे
हमारे कैमरा तो लगे बीच वो
One of the beautiful places, it's kind of safe, alhamdulillah. Looking into the speed of the water, you can easily make it out. Though it is a moving water, running water, but still this part is like very normal.
अरे बेटा मैं खुदा रखा चला
ना